In the sunny village of Harmony Hollow lived a cheerful boy named Milo. Near his home stood a grand old tree called the Quiet Tree, because no leaves ever rustled. The villagers whispered that the quiet tree held the magic of peace. One day, Lena and Sam argued over a shiny red ball. Their voices grew loud, and Milo felt sad. He didn't like the noise or the hurt feelings. Milo decided to visit the quiet tree to think. He sat quietly under its tall branches, watching the sunlight through the leaves. Why are friends sometimes loud when they should be happy, he wondered. Suddenly, he felt a gentle breeze, and the leaves of the quiet tree rustled softly for the first time. It was like the tree was trying to tell him something. Milo smiled and stood up with a new idea. He felt hopeful and ready to help his friends. The next day, Milo called Lena and Sam to meet under the quiet tree. He had a plan to bring them back together. "I think the quiet tree wants us to be peaceful," Milo said gently. "What if we share the red ball? Lena can play for 1 hour, and then Sam can have a turn. We can cheer for each other too," Milo suggested. Lena and Sam looked at each other and then at Milo, feeling the calm from the tree all around them. They nodded and agreed to try. As they took turns playing, their laughter and smiles came back like sunshine after rain. Harmony was restored. From that day on, whenever there was trouble in Harmony Hollow, Milo and the Quiet Tree reminded everyone to be peacemakers. Milo learned that listening, sharing, and caring helped make his village happier. He was a true peacemaker. Just like the peaceful whispers of the quiet tree, Milo brought calmness to Harmony Hollow. And the tree? It stood tall and proud, its leaves now always gently rustling with joy. One sunny morning, a group of children were playing near the quiet tree when they started to argue about the rules of their game. Milo saw their frowns and remembered his own experience. He knew just what to do. "Let's take a deep breath," Milo suggested. "Sometimes when we're upset, a little quiet time can help." The children closed their eyes and breathed deeply. The quiet tree seemed to whisper a gentle calm into their hearts. Thoughtful. "Now, let's talk about the game. What's important to each of you?" Each child shared what they loved about the game and why the rules mattered to them. Milo listened carefully. "Understanding. I understand," Milo said, suggesting, "How about we create new rules together that everyone agrees on?" With Milo's help, the children created new rules that were fair and fun for everyone. They were excited to play again. As they played, their laughter filled the air. The quiet tree seemed to smile, its leaves rustling in delight. Milo realized that being a peacemaker wasn't just about stopping arguments, but about helping everyone feel heard and happy. And so, Milo continued to be a friend to all, always ready to share the magic of peace from the quiet tree.